I needed a really long and durable gardening hose that was not going to get tangled or kinked up to water the gardening bed. If you're considering the same for yourself, here's what you should know. What's really cool is that this will not get kinked or twisted in any way. Even if it starts to loop on itself, it does not get tied up in knots or kinked. Even if you try, it literally does not bend any farther than this. So, you know, if you're tired of those green hoses that always get kinked and then you have to like shake them out and get them unclogged, then you want to use something like this that, you know, nothing's gonna be able to bite it, nothing can drive over it and break it. Again, it's just made out of a stainless steel that is not going to deteriorate in the weather or anything like that. And I love how it doesn't tangle. Because this is a stainless steel hose, it's extremely lightweight compared to other hoses. And it works exactly the same as other hoses. It's got the exact same attachments that you would use for any other hose, and you can string them together if the length that you get isn't long enough. And in my opinion, it's easier to transport these hoses too. These come in a variety of lengths, but you can definitely hook them together, multiple, you know, hoses together, just like you can with a normal hose.